trying the fondue with the bread.
Hopefully it's magical.
Should be pretty good.
Even though he's craft, which I disagree with.
Yeah.
Okay, if you're gonna make good food, you have to start with good ingredients.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Try the apple.
Try the apple now.
Just grab one of the apples.
Okay. So we need to finish the cheese fondue.
So which
before we
one?
move on to
Which?
chocolate.
Tell me which one tastes better after you taste the apple, the bread or the apple?
I like that one because of the garlic, but I like that one because it's like sweet. And
Well, which one would you choose?
That's a really hard decision.
it's really hard because they're both really good.
See? Make good food.